Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Aditi Gupta.
author of.
Bomb says you need to be strong.
So, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's amazing and it's super cool. I mean, there are too many people. There's so much
Right.
happening, in every corner. So yeah.
So, and especially being here as an author, because that's something most people don't get to experience. How does that feel for you?
Well, I got lucky because I got an extra entry from the gate
Right.
because I said, look, I have an author interview and I have to enter rather than going through the entire big line.
Right.
So I got lucky there, and I
Right.
came straight, found Ocean Press. I'm like, because I saw on
Right.
Instagram that there will be red boards everywhere. So I'm
Right.
looking everywhere for red boards.
Right.
So I found red boards, and here we are at Ocean Press.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
My book is a collection of short stories depicting family life.
Right.
It takes you through the different phases of a woman,
Right.
starting from the birth of a baby girl to the death of the grandmother.
Right.
And so it takes you through the ups and downs, the different,
Right.
the tragedies,
Right.
the lows, the highs, the
Right.
happy
And the
times,
realities,
pains.
right?
Yeah,
Right.
and most of the chapters which are there in the book are based on real incidents,
Right.
which are converted into fiction. I can also add on that each chapter has a diary entry by the
Right.
protagonist, and
Right.
all protagonists are females.
Right.
Yeah, and yeah.
That's wonderful. So, if you had to give one piece of advice for our community of writers, what would that be?
The secret ingredients to happiness is writing. Until you
Wow.
don't implement that, it's not going to take you anywhere.
Wonderful. Write for your own happiness,
Yeah.
right? That's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
that with
you.
us.
Thank
I
you
hope you
so
have
much.
a wonderful book fair. Congratulations on your book.
Thank you so
Thank
much.